Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files from your PC on Windows 10. Whether you've accidentally deleted some important files or emptied your recycle bin, don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know how to recover your deleted files, both from the recycle bin and if they were permanently deleted. Plus, I'll show you a reliable software tool to help you get your files back, even if they're not in the recycle bin anymore. So, let's dive in. The first place you should always check when you delete a file is the recycle bin. When you delete a file on Windows 10, it doesn't immediately disappear. Instead, it's moved to the recycle bin. Simply double-click on the recycle bin icon on your desktop to open it. Look for the files you want to recover. Once you find the file, right-click on it and select Restore. This will send the file back to its original location. It's as simple as that. But what if you can't find your file in the recycle bin? Maybe you emptied the bin or used Shift+Delete to permanently delete the file? No worries, there's still a way to recover it. If your file is no longer in the recycle bin, you can use a file recovery tool like EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. It's a powerful and user-friendly software that can recover files you thought were lost for good. I've added a link in the description below to the official website where you can download the software. There's also a direct download link for you to get it immediately. So, let me walk you through the steps. Head to the description and click the link to download the software from the official EaseUS website, or use the direct link to download it right away. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the software on your PC. After installation, the software will launch automatically. You'll see a list of available drives and storage locations. Select the drive where you lost the file. For example, if you deleted the file from your C drive, click on that drive. Alternatively, if you know the exact location of the files, you can choose a specific folder by clicking on Select Folder, then hit Search for Lost Data. Please note that the trial version will only allow you to preview the lost files. If you want unlimited recoveries, you will need to upgrade to the Pro version. Now, let's make a real-life example. We will permanently delete a few files and use Ease Data Recovery software to recover them. We have created a new folder and named it Lost Files. And as you can see, it contains a document, a picture, and a video. We will permanently delete them by pressing Shift and Delete on the keyboard, then confirming by clicking Yes. Next, let's open the software, click Select Folder, then click on Search for Lost Data. Select the location where the files were stored and hit OK. Once you confirm, the scan will begin, and we just need to wait for it to complete. When the scan is complete, you will see that the software has successfully recovered our lost files. You can even preview some of them before recovery to ensure you found the right ones. To recover the files, simply check the boxes next to them, click Recover, choose a location to save the recovered files, and hit OK. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can recover files you thought were gone forever. I hope this video helped you understand how to recover deleted files from your Windows 10 PC, whether they're in the recycle bin or permanently deleted. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips like this. Don't forget to check the links in the description for EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.